We cannot write I had gone to Chandigarh just as it is. We have to make a second sentence with V2 form. Remember this one thing, we cannot use past perfect sentence just it's alone. Hello friends, my name is Jagjeevan and I welcome you back again to my YouTube channel Traveler Teacher. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter in English language, and that is a word had. Today we will discuss that how we use the word had in English language. Now we have two sentences over here. The one, I had gone to church, and the second is I went to church. Although we all know that I had gone to church is a past perfect sentence. It's a past perfect, and if we are talking about I went to church, that means it's a simple past or it's a past indefinite sentence. We all very well know that the one sentence is a past perfect and the second is past indefinite sentence. If we're talking about the meanings of the both sentences, although they are same, I had gone to church and I went to church, although the meaning is same, but how we use them. When we use I had gone to Chandigarh and when we use I went to Chandigarh, some people think that any of the recent past, for any of the recent past, you can use I went to Chandigarh. And a long time ago, if there is a talk about a long time ago, then you have to use I had gone to Chandigarh. But this is a wrong sentence or this is a wrong version. If you're talking about the past, whether it's a recent past or a long time ago past, you have to make a sentence by the past indefinite. Because whenever we are talking about the past, and we very well know that in past we always use verbs second form. So I went to Chandigarh, whether it is a recent past or a long time ago thing, in the both cases we are going to use past indefinite sentence. For example, if I'm saying that I went to church in my childhood. Now it's a long time period ago that I went to church, but still I'm using the sentence V2 form with past indefinite. I went to church in my childhood. And if I'm saying that I went to church yesterday, this is also right sentence. It's just a talk about yesterday, just a action of the yesterday, that I went to Chandigarh, I went to church yesterday. I can also say that with the past indefinite sentence. If a totally recent past, for example, I just went to church. So I just, it's a wholly solely just just 2 minutes ago, just maybe 5 minutes ago, I just went to church. So that means in the recent past or long time ago past, we can use simply V2 version over there. That means the past indefinite sentences. But the main thing is that then how we use the had and where we use had. First of all, the main thing is that whenever we use past in the had forms, we have to arrange the second sentence with it. We cannot write I had gone to Chandigarh just as it is. We have to make a second sentence with V2 form. Remember this one thing, we cannot use past perfect sentence just it's alone. We have to make the another sentence with it with the V2 form. How it is possible and why we need this, let's learn this thing now. So let's discuss now how we use had. Basically, had is a past of past. Now what I mean by past of past, the time period which we are living now is a present, and we very well know that whenever we talk about the present things, present actions, we use V1 over here. And the one step back from the present is called past, and in the past we always use V2. But if we have one more step back from the past, so it is also past, but now this past is not the past of present, this is a past of past. That means this past version is a past of this one past. So whenever we have the past of past, at that time we use had, and we very well know that with had we always use verbs third form. So suppose that if we don't have a past over here, can we say that this one is a past of past? Because we don't have a past now, obviously there will be just a past version of present, because the one step back, maybe it's over here, maybe it's over here, maybe it's over here, maybe it's over here. The one step back is always a past. No matter that how long it is, but the one step back is always past, and for past we use V2. But whenever we have a past of past, to make it a past of past, that means it's obvious that we need a past over here. So if there is a past like a V2, then in the past of past we will use had. So with had we will always use V3. That means whenever we talk about the past of past, there should be a simple past sentence with V2 form. This is the basic structure, that why we use had sentences with the V2 sentences. Now let's discuss a little bit more. Had. For example, the one I am saying that I took tea is a basic sentence, that I took tea is a past version, I took tea. The second sentence is you took biscuits. Once again, it's a simple sentence. The both sentences are in the past. It's a simple past indefinite sentences. I took tea and you took biscuits. But if I want to say that I took tea before you took biscuits. Now there are two works in the past, but the one work has been done in the earlier stage of the second one. So I took tea before you took biscuits, or maybe you took biscuits first, then I took tea. So whenever we need to talk about that which work has been done first and which work has been done in the second position, so that time we cannot use the both sentences in the past version, simple past versions. We have to make a one sentence in the had form. Now the right version for writing these sentences will be, so how we will write these sentences. For example, I had taken tea before you took biscuits. I had taken tea before you took biscuits. That means there are two actions has been done in the past version, but the work which has been done in the earlier case, we will use had with that. That means I first I took tea, and after that you took the biscuits. So if I done something first, obvious, then there will be had in my sentence. I had taken tea, that means I took the tea first and then you took the biscuits. So I had taken tea before you took biscuits. But if you had taken the biscuits first, then there will be a had case with you. So the sentence will be I took tea after, because now I am not the first one who took the tea, you are the first one who took the biscuits. So that's why in my sentence there will be just simple V2 version. I took tea after you had taken biscuits. So I took tea after you had taken biscuits. That's all for today. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also comment in the section below. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for the daily English videos. Thank you very much.